Welcome back to day 6 of our Excel Mastery series. Today we are unlocking one of the most powerful tools in Excel, pivot tables. If you work with large data set, reports, MIS or business insight, pivot tables will literally save your life and your time. Let's start. What is pivot table? A pivot table is powerful Excel feature that helps you summarize, organize and analyze large amount of data quickly without writing any formulas. Okay. So imagine you have 10,000 sales record. A pivot table can instantly show you total sales of by product, sales by month, sales by category, number of orders, average sales, and just by drag and drop. Let's create a pivot table. Okay, so first thing first, before creating your pivot table you have to make sure your data is clean. So that means no empty rows, no merge cell, column header should be unique and clear. Okay, just like here itself, because here no any blank rows, no any column mistake, no duplicacy. Now for creating pivot table you have to select your table, then go to insert, click on the pivot table, and here it will ask you where you want your pivot table to be, new worksheet and existing worksheet. New worksheet is differently in a new sheet, and existing sheet you have to provide a location where you want exactly that table to be. Okay, so let's go with new worksheet, click on OK, and you will see a blank here itself. Okay, so now if you want by employee ID, just click on employee ID. All the employees are in the rows, it will automatically show. And you want their department, so department here itself. So instead of department, if you want their salaries, click on the value of salary. Calculations. Okay, so let's try again. Instead of employee ID, let's go with department wise. Departments wise, these are the sum. Okay, so you want, instead of sum, what's the maximum value, what's the maximum in that department a salary is. So click on max, it will show. So in finance maximum is 54, in HR 40,000. Okay, so now instead of max you want what's the average salary in a department they are getting. So just click on average. Okay, and you will get here what the average they are getting itself. So you can change the what the outcome you output you want, sum, count, max, min, product. These are all the different value you can use in calculated value. You just have to click here what you want exactly from here. So let's sum here cell. Okay, you can also count it. So how many count in the finances, how many of them in HR, just click on the count, that means employer. These are the employee in finance, 2 employee, HR 2 employees. You can use filter also in pivot. So if you want only the value of finance, just click it, it will show only only the value of finance. Okay, and you can also filter by or by your report by any product, any category. You can improve visualization with pivot table design. For that you have to just go to pivot table, click here, you will get different designs here. So just click on one, it will automatically change. Pivot table comment done. If you want day 7 where we explore pivot table slicer and interactive dashboard, follow data nest for daily Excel lessons. Thank you.